The Nokia Titan Pro Max 5G is a flagship-level smartphone that impresses on every front, blending cutting-edge performance with long-lasting endurance and elite photography. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, the device delivers blistering speed and smooth multitasking, making it ideal for high-end gaming, intensive productivity tasks, and seamless everyday use. Its massive 9,000 mAh battery ensures extended uptime, allowing users to go through heavy workloads, all-day streaming, and continuous connectivity without constantly searching for a charger. The photography experience is elevated by a 400MP main camera, capable of capturing ultra-detailed and vibrant images that rival many professional cameras, while advanced imaging software helps produce stunning results in varied lighting conditions. Rounding out its premium feature set is a 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display, offering fluid visuals, rich colors, and crisp clarity that make watching videos and playing games truly immersive. With this combination of top-tier processing power, exceptional battery life, and extraordinary camera capability, the Nokia Titan Pro Max 5G stands out as a powerful and versatile flagship choice.